apple craft today.
So I just eat apple.
Morgan is eating the apples right now. So today we're going to make some homemade dried apple bird feeders. So we're gonna have to do this video in a few different parts because we first need to dry some apples and then we'll assemble the bird feeders. So what you're gonna need is, of course, some apples. You're gonna need a baking sheet with parchment paper on it, a cutting board and knife to cut your apples, or a mandolin.
Mom, what is that for?
Well, then you're gonna need some corn syrup and a pastry brush. You're also going to need, of course, some bird seed. We just got some mixed bird seed here. You're gonna need some floral wire, some tools. So you'll need some wire cutters and some pliers. I just got some little needle nose pliers. And some ribbon. And we just picked up this ribbon from the dollar store in the fall decorating section.
From last night we did.
Yeah. So first step is to dry the apples. So you're going to take your apples and you're going to slice these up really thin and line them up on your baking sheet. So if you're going to do this with children, obviously this step is going to be a mommy or daddy only step. And so we're going to cut these up and then we'll be right back.
Mommy,
Okay, we've sliced up our apples now and Morgan's lined them up on our baking tray, and we're going to put this in the oven at 200 degrees for 1 hour, and we're going to flip them at 30 minutes. So once that's done, we'll come right back and assemble our bird feeders. See you later. Okay everyone, we're back. We've got our apples all dried up and cooled off. So the next step is we're going to take a piece of our wire here. And you want to make it a pretty good long amount, because I'm going to double this up. And you can always cut the excess off.
but I'm just a little bit eating a fruit cup.
Morgan's eating a fruit cup. Alright, so you're going to double up this wire. And you're going to take a piece of your ribbon. You're going to take a piece of your ribbon, and at the bottom folded end of your wire, you're going to make a little bow, decorative bow here. And you can cut the excess tails off however way you want. There, so you have it like this. Now for the apples, what you're going to do is you're going to take some of your cornstarch. I just put it in a little bowl. And you're going to take a piece of your apple and you're going to brush it with some of the corn syrup here all over with your pastry brush. Then you'll take this and you're going to dip it into the bird seed to stick it on. So this is the fun messy part, just like that. Shake any of the excess bird seed off. And then you're gonna take your apple.
Mom, I'm just gonna watch you see what you do, and you can show.
And you're going to then spear your apple onto your wire, just like that. And put it on there. So you're gonna keep putting on your cornstarch.
Mommy, can I do one?
Yeah, you can do one. So this is a great craft for kids because you can just get messy with this. And you're just gonna keep going and going and going and stacking it up.
Mommy, can I have a ribbon?
Yeah, well you can help me with this one. So you're gonna grab a piece of apple.
Okay. And what do you do next?
And then you grab your cornstarch and you're gonna brush it all on your apple.
And that's okay to get messy.
So here, put it down on there. Yeah, it's okay to get messy because we can clean the mess up.
And can I have the bird?
So Dee Dee got it. Yep. And then you just put it down and press it down. Just like that. And then you're gonna stick it on top. Like this. Yep. On either side. And it's gonna go down like that.
Mom, can I make another one?
Yeah, you can keep doing them. You keep going. We're gonna go with this one because as you can see they're getting kind of compacted together and stuff, so the bird won't be able to pick anything off of it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna wash my hands off.
Can we make another one?
Yeah. And we're gonna twist the ends of this, I think.
Mom, can we make another one?
Yes. Yes, we can. It'll give me a second. Try to get the ends of this twisted off.
Mom, can I go wash my hands?
Yes. So, twisted the ends a bit. This is pretty messy craft, so should have a probably we have a tablecloth down here. It's probably a good idea to do that. And then you want to make a loop at the top here to hang your bird feeder up.
My hands are clean again, Mommy.
Yeah. Really kind of maybe twist this wire up.
Here, Mom. It's mine.
Just a second. There we go. Squish this up. Twist this around a couple of times to make it sturdy. And then cut the ends off of here. Twist these up. Cut the ends off here. And
Here, Mom.
just put it down on the table. Just put it down on the table to dry. And then you want to take another piece of ribbon and tie it around your little bird feeder here.
And put a little this.
There you go. And then you have a cute little thing to hang outside for the birds.
Mom.
And you can hang these up in the trees, or you can hang it up on a shepherd's hook outside. So we got a shepherd's hook. Very nice.
Mom, can I hold?
There you go. All right. Well, this is kind of fun to do. It's a little messy, but I think they turned out okay. The picture showed it being a lot longer and more spaced out. I don't know if perhaps if you had a mandolin and you cut these a little thicker, if they'd be a little bit more spaced out.
Mommy, can we make another one?
Yep. So, but all in all, we'll put these out and see how they go. So this is everything for today. We're going to keep making our bird feeders, but thank you for watching. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe down below. And we'll see you again for another crafting corner. Bye, everyone.
Bye.